Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to find, use, and make templates on phone. So there is two methods that you can pull this off. One of them is by going ahead to your browser and searching for a CapCut template, and by clicking right here, get free template, you're going to see CapCut.net. Click on it and it's going to direct you to the CapCut app, and you can just go ahead and click right here the templates, and you're going to be able to use one of those templates, and you're going to be able to use it as your video. So I'm going to just click on this video and I'm going to get back to you. And as you can see right here, this is the video and everything. If you want to use this template, just go ahead and right here and click the use template, and just click the video that you want to add or the picture that you want to add for this video. And basically I'm gonna just, let's say for example, add this one. All right, and I'm gonna just hit next. And as you can see right here, if you like that video, what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and click export right here, and basically you're gonna be able to save it to your device. Another way of searching for templates is by going ahead or go back to your screen and go ahead to your TikTok app. All right, in the TikTok app, what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead right here and just click the search bar at the top right, and from here what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just type CapCut, I'm gonna just type in CapCut template. Okay, and what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and select any other video, and basically click right here, try this template, and it's gonna direct to the CapCut, and use this template in CapCut in the same drill. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.